Good morning everyone. It is October 13th and it's a Friday, and I thought I would take you guys along in a day in my life. I just got dressed, and every single morning the first thing that I do is stretch. So let's go. Bags and grab breakfast before my first class. Gorgeous day. It's currently 45 degrees outside, but it'll get up to like the 60s, the low 60s. To breakfast now. I have trash that I need to throw away. And this is my EK box. It's like our engineering project for this semester. So my group is making a lie detector through heart rate signals, and we basically like designed the project from scratch. So this is all like our building materials, and we have a group meetup today before I go home from like 5 to 7, and I don't want to have to come all the way back to my apartment, so instead I'm just gonna carry around this big box with me all day. It's a nice table. Rundown for today: breakfast, class. I have differential equations. Get on the bus, go to my lab, take a foster care review, go to BMC, volunteer there, come back, eat dinner, meet up with my engineering group, go home. On the way home, I have to pick up a chair for my friend. That's the plan for the day. Good morning to the green line. We grabbed breakfast. This is breakfast. I got some eggs. I made myself half a waffle, a pineapple mango smoothie, and some fruit. Eat breakfast. I'm going to do my Duolingo session of the day. I'm learning advanced Spanish right now. So, continuing on my Spanish, I didn't want to lose it, so one of my lab members was doing it yesterday, and it inspired me to get an account. So today's day 2 doing Duolingo. You can never have too much pepper. We made it to Diff Eq. Yes, sir. Just finished Diff Eq, now going to wait for the bus. The bus! We're on the bus. I'm on the bus now. I don't know if you can hear me. I can't really hear myself because of the engine, but I'm gonna try and do some chemistry homework while I'm on the bus. And yeah, it's typically a pretty good ride because everyone gets off on the stops before the medical campus, so the bus is pretty empty by the time we go there. See, no one on the bus anymore. This week in chemistry, we're discussing NMR signals, and yeah. So we have a midterm next week, so I'm doing some NMR stuff, and then I probably have to review chirality and enantiomers, diastereomers. Got off the bus and I'm walking over now. I made it in the elevator with my huge box. And yeah, I'm gonna spend the next hour doing some lab work, and then after that I'll still be here, but I'm gonna get on a Zoom call for my foster care review for 30 minutes to an hour and a half. I'm not sure how long this one's gonna last, but yeah. It's 10:47 and I just logged into my WebEx meeting. I decided to check in on one of the other undergrads who's imaging some of the fish that I usually image right now, so I'm gonna walk to the fish facility before I hop on the bus to go back to the Charles River campus.